Some people seem to catch every break. Others watch the same chances slip away. In his book, Decode Your Destiny reveals the framework behind that difference, the Destiny Quadrant. Because the real question is this: why does the very same opportunity create entirely different lives? The big question: picture one opportunity, the same open door, offered to 4 different people. The first walks through it and thrives, living the life they always imagined. The second is tested but grows stronger through the struggle. The third hesitates, freezes, and watches the moment pass. And the fourth is overwhelmed and sinks, stuck in the very same place, same door, 4 completely different destinies. So, was it luck? Or was it preparation? The core formula. The book distills it into one simple formula. Your destiny is preparation multiplied by life's events. You can't control every event that comes your way, but you can always control your preparation. And where the two meet, your destiny takes shape. The Destiny Quadrant. Put those 2 forces on a map and you get the Destiny Quadrant. Down one axis, your level of preparation, high or low. Across the other, what life brings, an opportunity or a challenge. Together, they create 4 outcomes. High preparation meeting opportunity becomes good luck. Meeting a challenge, it becomes resilience. But with low preparation, opportunity turns to frustration and challenge becomes bad luck. Good luck, start in the first quadrant. A prepared person meets an opportunity, and because they're ready, the door opens and they succeed. We call it good luck. But as the book reminds us, luck is simply preparation meeting opportunity. Resilience. Now give that same prepared person a challenge instead. The storm hits, but they keep moving forward and grow stronger for it. This is resilience, growth, learning, adaptability, and confidence, all forged in the difficulty itself. Frustration. But what happens without preparation? An opportunity appears, the chance of a lifetime, but they simply can't act on it. The door closes, and all that's left is frustration, regret, a missed chance, and confidence quietly lost. Bad luck. And when the unprepared meet a challenge, a crisis hits and overwhelms them. Setback, stress, confusion, this is what we call bad luck. But notice, the difference between every one of these outcomes was never the event. It was the preparation. The golden triangle. So how do you build that preparation? The book gives us the golden triangle, 3 timeless tools. The mirror. Know yourself, your identity, beliefs, values, and strengths. The map. Know your direction, your purpose, vision, and goals. And the mentor. The guidance that turns belief into action. Mirror, map, mentor. Together, they prepare you for whatever life brings. The 4 W's. But a destiny worth reaching is a balanced one. The book calls them the 4 W's: wisdom, wealth, wellness, and work. Success in only one leaves you hollow. A meaningful destiny grows across all 4 dimensions of your life. The complete journey. Here's how it all fits together. The golden triangle builds your preparation. That preparation meets the events of your life. Every opportunity, every challenge. Together they place you in the Destiny Quadrant. And lived across all 4 W's, that becomes your destiny. Not something you're handed, but something you design. Your destiny is not something you wait for. It's something you decode, design, and live. This is the heart of Decode Your Destiny by Farooq Khan, an Amazon bestseller with a framework to map the journey to your true potential. Scan the code or find it on Amazon today. Your quadrant is waiting. The question is, how will you prepare